everyone, this is Maria, and today I want to share with you something really fun that I purchased at Target. I collect the Our Generation girl dolls now, and so for the longest time I didn't want to buy them, but I admired them from afar. Well, actually, as I was pushing my shopping cart down the Our Generation girl doll lane, the aisle in the toy section, and I would just admire them, but I knew they were way too big to collect, and they still are. But I love them. I started collecting right after Christmas when they had their clearance sale. I'll go ahead and link that video at the end of this video. And I have since been buying more and more. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got this for $24.99. They were on an end cap, and I thought, well, maybe I'll wait to see if it comes down a little bit more, because sometimes I do that. But I was going to take a risk if I did that. So I thought, nope, I really love this. I want this. And I put it in my shopping cart along with my groceries, you guys, because I shop there once a week. So let's go ahead and read the back of the box, and then we'll come back to the front of the box and we'll look at everything more closely. So there's a message on the back of the box, and it says, "This is our story. There has never been a generation of girls quite like us. We're sisters, cousins, and best friends who support animal shelters by washing cars, have great moments together, gazing at stars, and laugh with each other until we're gasping for air, even if sometimes we can't remember what we're laughing about. This is our time. This is our story." And look at the artwork. It's called Tumble and Spin Laundry Playset. It says right down at the bottom what it includes. It reads, "Clean, pressed, and ready to impress. All the latest to keep clothes their greatest. Includes one washer, one dryer, one laundry hamper stand, one clothes dryer rack, 6 clothespins, 1 clothespin bag, 1 ironing board with cover, 1 iron, 1 laundry basket, 1 spray bottle, 1 measuring cup, 1 box of dryer sheets, and 1 box of laundry detergent. Doll and clothes are sold separately." So now let's take a closer look at the Our Generation Girl Doll Tumble and Spin Laundry Set. And so it says here, Our Generation, ages 3 and older, fun and adventure for the 18-inch doll. Look at the artwork right here. It says spinning, washer, and dryer, and they're front-loading machines. Look at that. I love the color. There are the initials, OG for Our Generation. And then look at the ironing board. I like that there's an illustration there to show children how to set everything up. And then look at the cover for the ironing board. I love that fabric. It looks so retro. And then there's a little bag for the clothespins and a basket, a laundry basket. And then there's a box of laundry detergent, OG suds. Look at the artwork. And there are the dryer sheets. There's also a measuring cup there and a spray bottle. And here is the laundry stand where you can put your laundry in. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then there's a laundry stand with the clothespin, these old-fashioned retro clothespins. I just think this is so cute. I just love it so much. And I already decided I know exactly where I'm going to put it, at least temporarily, because it's so large. So let me go ahead and show you where I set this up. And so, this is my laundry room, you guys. And right up here, I put the Our Generation Girl Doll Tumble and Spin Laundry Set just temporarily until I can figure out where I'm going to set it up. And so I'll have to pull this down every now and then and give it a good dusting. One more thing to dust, right? And so everyone, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this play set. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, just hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute that is. I love it. I really love it. Okay, we'll talk to you later, everyone. Bye.